Hi everyone, friends. I'm Ella Waller. Today I'll show you how to create a Word document with both horizontal and vertical pages. Here's my document, which currently only has vertical pages. As you can see, I have 4 pages. Let's say I want to make the third page horizontal. To do this, at the end of the second page, I'll go here, click on the break, and create a new page section. So I click and that creates the break. Then I do the same thing at the end of the third page. Also, I select the very end here, click on the break, and then click Next Page. Now I go back and choose the third page in my case and click Horizontal. There. Now my third page is horizontal. There. As you can see, some content has gone to the fourth page. So you just need to remove all the columns here, and after that everything will be fine. That's it. This was Ella. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.